friends, today we are here for our task. We have to talk with 3 foreigners. That's why we are come Qutub Minar. Before the starting my task, I was feeling fear. How can I speak with foreigner? But I think that I have to talk with foreigner. Then I can improve my English and then I can improve my communication skill. That at that time I feel very proud that foreigner is understanding whatever I am speaking. Then my experience was good. Thank you so much. Parul, and today we are here to interact with foreigners, and I'm interacted with a lot of people and enjoy this task. When I was in my first class, I'm not getting my first place. I'm not interacted with the strangers, and it is my last task, and we are interacted with foreigners. And if we think from first day, it is too hard for first person who are not able to interact with stranger, and now I'm interacted with foreigners, so I'm enjoy a lot.
जब मैं सेकंड पर्सन के पास गई तो मेरा हेजिटेशन दूर होती गई और मैंने इस क्लास में ये सीखा कि फर्स्ट टाइम यू कैन ट्राई एंड सेकंड टाइम आई विल एंजॉयिंग देन टॉक टू अदर पीपल एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
फर्स्ट फॉरेनर से ट्राई किया तो मैं डर रही थी. फिर जब मैं डर रही थी तो मैंने सर से पूछा था कि क्या करूँ क्या नहीं. उन्होंने मेरे को बताया कि ऐसे करना है, तो मैं
जब फर्स्ट फॉरेनर के पास गई थी तो उनसे डर रही थी थोड़ा, तो फिर मैं सेकंड फॉरेनर के पास गई, फिर मेरी हेजिटेशन थोड़ी सी दूर हो गई थी।
Today I feel very nervous about the task, but after getting interact with the first foreigner, I get my hesitation be removed. After the second meeting, I get talk with the foreigner. They are sharing the experience.
My name is Dheeraj and I am in Qutub Minar for task purpose and my experience is good.
Before getting the Synonym Solution classes for skill development, I have fully filled with hesitation, and after the class I have 10% hesitation. But today, the interact with the foreigners, first meeting with the foreigners, I have lost all the hesitation and all the problems to interact with anybody.